Picture this, you've spent thousands on a trade show booth, but attendees are walking right past you. Sound familiar? Standing out at trade shows is harder than ever. With hundreds of booths competing for attention, you need more than a nice banner and some brochures. You need activation ideas that stop people in their tracks and turn them into qualified leads. In this video, we're covering 10 booth activation ideas that actually work. And I'll show you how the right event technology takes them to the next level. Let's get into it. Number 1, AR product demos. First up, augmented reality product demos. Let attendees scan QR codes to unlock 3D product walkthroughs, virtual demonstrations, or interactive experiences right on their phones. Here's why this works. Attendees spend 3 to 5 minutes at your booth instead of 30 seconds. Plus, you're capturing interaction data like what features they explored or how long they engaged, all of which gives you way better follow-up intel. Number 2, QR code product catalogs. Ditch the printed brochures. Place QR codes around your booth that link to your full digital product catalog. Attendees can browse your entire inventory on their phones, save items for later, even make purchases on the spot, if you've integrated e-commerce functionality into your booth setup. Number 3, gamification and interactive challenges. Interactive games are one of the fastest ways to draw a crowd. Spin the wheel, trivia challenges, VR experiences, anything that gets attendees competing keeps them at your booth longer. Use event gamification technology to track participation, capture leads automatically when people play, and even run digital scavenger hunts that span the entire show floor. Number 4, live product demonstrations. Live demos give attendees a chance to see, touch, and experience your product firsthand. And that builds trust faster than any pitch deck ever could. Schedule demonstrations at specific times and promote them through the event app. This creates urgency. Attendees will come back at 2 p.m. specifically to see your demo. Number 5, branded photo booth. Set up a branded photo booth with custom backdrops and props. Install a tablet that lets attendees share directly to Instagram or print photos on the spot. Create a custom event hashtag and watch your booth's reach extend way beyond the show floor. User-generated content is gold. It's authentic marketing you don't have to pay for. Number 6, integrated online store. Integrate an online store directly into your booth experience. Attendees can browse products on tablets, add items to their cart, and complete purchases right there. Not ready to buy? No problem. Offer a wish cart feature where they save items for later. You capture their information and have a perfect follow-up opportunity. Number 7, touchscreen feedback stations. Set up touchscreen kiosks where attendees can rate their experience, leave suggestions, or answer quick surveys about their needs. To boost participation, offer instant rewards like discount codes, contest entries, or exclusive content access. The feedback you collect becomes invaluable for follow-up, and attendees appreciate that their opinions actually matter. Number 8, branded charging and lounge area. Trade show attendees are exhausted and their phones are dying. Create a comfortable lounge with charging stations, both USB ports and wireless chargers. While they recharge, your team has a perfect opportunity for organic conversations. It's not a hard sell. It's a natural interaction while they're relaxed and grateful for the service. Bonus points for adding comfy seating and snacks. Number 9, social media selfie wall. Create an Instagram-worthy backdrop or selfie wall with your branding, fun props, and perfect lighting. Make it visually striking enough that people want to post it. Add a branded frame or hashtag sign in the shot. Every photo shared extends your reach to their entire network. It's organic marketing that costs almost nothing to set up. Number 10, engage multiple senses. Last one, create a multisensory experience. LED walls for visual impact, ambient music or sound effects, maybe even branded scents. Research shows engaging multiple senses dramatically improves memory recall. So attendees won't just remember your booth, they'll also remember how amazing it made them feel. These booth activation ideas work even better when you've got the right event technology backing them up. We're talking digital lead capture that syncs with your CRM in real time, event apps that push notifications about your booth activities, e-commerce modules that let people buy on the spot, analytics dashboards showing exactly which activations drove the most engagement. Without this tech infrastructure, you're manually entering business cards into spreadsheets after the show. With it, your sales team is following up with hot leads before they even leave the venue. Ready to maximize your trade show ROI? Look, trade shows are expensive, so make it count by creating experiences that drive real engagement and capture qualified leads. Visit the vFairs site to see how our event management solution helps exhibitors build dynamic booth experiences that actually convert. And for the full list of 30 creative trade show booth activation ideas, check out our blog linked in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe for more event planning inspiration.